Okay, so we're going to fill them today. The Volvo wheel loader we have at the mill. Just a small little wheel loader, but it's pretty slick little unit. I'm just going to show you the front diff and the rear diff kind of have an offset so they sit up higher, and it's pretty handy for us. So Lance is going to follow us, and we're just going to back up and go back across the place that we go and get some and bring our logs around and lumber around. So I'm just going to swing up here and show you our lovely spring yard that is still drying out. It's no big deal here for this little loader to get through, but it's so handy to have that extra clearance. There's our sawdust pile. Here comes Lance. Yeah, I'm walking backwards through this rut trying to fill them, and probably end up flattening my back. Yeah, I'm going to swing around here. We're going to come up onto the sawdust pile. He's going to go drain some water over there with the bucket and get the water drained off and let it dry up in our yard here. Middle of May, we were dry, and then all of a sudden there we got a bunch of snow again, and it wetted it up, and it still wasn't completely thawed out, so it'll take a while for our yard to firm up. That's the video.